Okay, guys, so welcome to my channel. This is Surojit, and today I am coming to another new topic, which is NiceX. So, here we can see that NiceX had mailed me that the new NiceX app is now released on the Play Store or the Apple Store. So, what is NiceX? NiceX is a new release version application from NiceX where now you can trade as a spot holder or as a trader. Here you can see that NiceX is now available on store, and here we can see that on this application about trade like an expert now available on mobile device. The NiceX trading app brings you great features and tools from the NiceX exchange platform. Easily convert your cryptocurrencies in a minute. Trade our favorite cryptocurrencies pairs, securely store your funds, your wallets, monitor and your assets and market trends, buy and sell bitcoins with credit card and bank transfers no matter where are you. So you can know the previous version nice has now also available on Play Store, and here we can see that you can also manage your rigs and your and all the earning settings you can operating by this application. But now they release the new version application, and you can now trade from here. And so this is the new things that NiceX has released this application. So this is the first news, and the second news is that here we can see that the weekly newsletter, that is, we have released a new stable version of NiceX Quick Miners. The version is 0.5.5.0, comes with our full LHR unlock, a redesigned OCT interface, as well as optimizing and bug fixes. So this is not so important because now all the GPUs are available at full LHR, because now it's not working as a low hash rate. This is only works on NiceS, but now this is also accessible as a full LHR unlocks. So all your GPUs, all the new models. So the second important information is the KAWPAW algorithm or the Ravencoins. So this is the second information, but also the main information, that you all know that in this before miner can mine Ethereum by their old GPUs which has less than 4 GB VRAM, but for the DAC size is increasing, those GPUs is not mineable. And now this is also come from the KAWPAW or Ravencoin algorithm. Here we can see that 4 GB GPUs will soon stop working on KAWPAW Ravencoin algorithm. This is come as consequences of the growing size of the DAC file, which is currently sits at 3.5 GB. Older miners may remember that something similar happened with Ethereum years ago. Sorry. So what I am saying that in this before that mine your older GPUs that is less than 4 GB on Ethereum in this before, but now for the DAC file increasing, you cannot mine Ethereum on this old version VRAM GPUs. But this is also working on KAWPAW algorithm, that in this before you can mine 4 GB VRAM GPUs on KAWPAW algorithm and the others coin, but now this is also work on the KAWPAW algorithm. So what I am saying that this is also not working after some few days because of the DAC file increasing, and this is maybe a bad news for the miners who are still using those GPUs, but they can mine other coin by those GPU still, because this is only work on the Ravencoin algorithm or KAWPAW algorithm or the Ethereum algorithm, but others coin is accessible still. So if you have old version GPUs that is less than 4 GB, so you can mine those coins still, or you can sell it out and buy new GPUs which is more than 6 GB. So this is the overall update and the short information to you that I am giving you. So this is not the main things about the NiceX app, but this is the more important update about this Ravencoin features. That is so bad news about those miners who are using lots of old GPUs still. So this is the overall update. I hope you like this short information. So please give a big thumbs up on this video.